Mastering the art of revision and editing in essay writing. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of argumentative writing: revising and editing. Writing is not just about getting words on paper, it's also about refining those words to best express your thoughts. Let's discover how to take your essays to the next level by revising and editing them effectively. First, it's essential to understand that revising and editing, while closely related, are two distinct processes. Revising focuses on the content, structure, and clarity of your essay. It's about ensuring your argument flows logically, your ideas are presented clearly, and your essay is compelling. Editing is more about the nitty-gritty details. This is where you'll check for grammar, punctuation, spelling, and word choice. Successful revision can elevate the quality of your essay immensely. Here's how you can do it. 1. Distance yourself. After writing your draft, take a break. Returning to your essay with fresh eyes can help spot inconsistencies and areas of improvement. 2. Read aloud. By hearing your words, you might catch awkward phrasings or repetitive points. 3. Ask the important questions. Does your essay have a clear thesis? Are your arguments well structured and supported by evidence? Do your paragraphs transition smoothly? 4. Seek feedback. Having a peer or mentor review your work can offer new perspectives. They might catch things you missed. Once you're satisfied with the structure and content, it's time to polish. 1. Grammar check. This isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about ensuring your essay reads smoothly. Check for subject-verb agreement, tense consistency, and correct use of pronouns. 2. Punctuation matters. Misplaced commas or missing periods can change the meaning of a sentence. Be meticulous. 3. Vocabulary and word choice. Avoid repetition. Use a thesaurus to diversify your language but ensure you fully understand any new word you incorporate. 4. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent style, tone, and voice throughout your essay. Revision and editing are integral parts of the writing process. By dedicating time to refine your work, you not only improve its quality but also enhance your skills as a writer. Remember, great writing is not just about inspiration, it's also about perseverance and attention to detail. We hope this video has equipped you to tackle your GMAT and GRE essays with confidence. Happy writing!